This guy really pisses me off because sometimes he outranks me on YouTube. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my Gateway review and $2,997 bonus. Gateway is a brand new product released by Robin Palmer, Trevor Carr and Jonas Lindgren. Now, Robin Palmer is the guy that sometimes outranks me on YouTube, and inside Gateway, his new course, he actually shares all his secrets. I just went through the course and it's pretty amazing. So as you probably know, I'm on YouTube. This is how I generate traffic. I have my coaching course about YouTube, so I pretty much for every single video that I'm putting out there, I rank in the top 3, but sometimes some people outrank me, and Robin is one of these guys that if someone will actually outrank me, he is the one. Okay, so I'm going to show you everything there is to know about his new course Gateway. Let me share my screen and let's jump into it. And even before I'm going to show you the actual sales page, I'm going to show you a couple of examples where he actually outranked me. Okay, so for Aurora 2.0 review, as you can see, Robin is #1, so his stuff works. And actually I was ranking pretty well in the top 3, but then it went down to the 5th position or 6th position right here. So his stuff works. And I have another one, V-Suit review, he ranks on the 1st position again, and mine is on the 5th position. So again, I was ranking pretty well, then it dropped. And you know, it goes up and down, but as you can see, his stuff works. It's not for every single review, you know, pretty much for 80%, 90% of my reviews I'm in the top 3, but again, Robin is the guy that really outranks me consistently. Okay, so with that being said, let's check out the sales page. This is how it looks like. It says, Gateway, are you ready to tap into this 1.8 billion user traffic source? Revealed how they unlocked the free traffic gateway for easy $100 to $300 paydays, and how you can do the same without experience or showing your face on camera. So another cool thing is that you're going to be using YouTube. You don't have to do what I'm doing right now. You don't have to film your face or sometimes even record your voice, because you can use other people's videos. Okay, as you can see, the price is $32, but the early bird will be actually less than $10. Okay, we're gonna talk about the pricing in a second. So 3 simple steps, free traffic, you know, all the usual stuff. Again, Trevor Carr, Jonas Lindgren and Robin Palmer, these are the 3 guys behind the course, and this is actually Robin's case study. Okay, so proof, you know, you can go through all of this in your own time, but again, Gateway, that's the name of this new product, and this is my Gateway review. Scrolling down, you know, you got all the modules. I'm going to show all of that in a second. They have all the bonuses. You're gonna get my bonuses on top of whatever these guys are giving you, and a 30 days money back guarantee. That's essentially it. Let's check out the inside of the members area right now. Okay, so this is how it looks like. As you can see, we have the welcome to Gateway video, and then we have main training. So in the main training, they talk about, you know, how to actually come up with videos, what keywords to target, what to do when you upload the video, you know, all the usual stuff. Okay, so we have the overview, proper keyword setting, how to create easy channel art, the exact review formula, easy YouTube descriptions, free software for fast thumbnail creation, how to upload your videos, and access to a free for life premium bonus builder software. Okay, so all the usual stuff. Maybe you've seen this before. If not, you know, if you're starting from scratch, he will actually show you the whole process, like how to create a channel and all of that good stuff. Okay, now this is where I actually learned something. Okay, so as you can see, we have the secret sauce to rank as a boss. Okay, so these 2 videos, I'm using different tools, but obviously Robin outranks me sometimes, so this means that these tools are pretty powerful. Okay, so first of all, you have how to rank your videos the right way. Forget what you have learned before. This is the video that is worth all the money. Okay, I'm not going to be showing you the video right now, but obviously, you know, you're gonna have to buy the course for it, but this is the video that will be worth all the money. And by the way, it's less than $10, so it's pretty crazy because you can make thousands of dollars this way. And another video, how to make sure you rank at the top, very important. So I knew about this, but I think it's pretty much underused by most marketers. Okay, so Again, this is something that you maybe know, but you don't know that it is so powerful. Okay, so these two videos are a must watch. If you're already using YouTube, you know, you can probably skip all this training right here, but these two videos are you know, the two golden nuggets that you will absolutely love, and you will see, wow, this is so powerful. And again, I'm on YouTube since 2013, and you know, this was something completely new to me. I had no idea that this is so powerful. Okay, so these two videos definitely worth the money. Then we have no face, no voice, no recording hack for pumping out videos. So how to access done for you review videos. This is for you if you heard recording videos, and the 5-minute hack for camera shy people. So I know that some of you guys out there, probably most of you guys out there, don't want to be recording videos. You know, these 3 videos will show you how to go around it. Okay, so believe it or not, when I first started recording videos, I was terrible. You know, I didn't really wanted to record my face. I didn't have the equipment, you know. So there are ways around that. You don't have to do what I'm doing right now. You don't have to record your voice or film your face. So then we have the case studies. You actually get a total of 3 case studies where Robin shows you exactly how he made money, what kind of money he made, how he did it, you know, everything from scratch. And then the resources. So you have all the resources, so all the tools that he's using, and I think 99% of these tools are free. Okay, so you don't have to pay a dime. Obviously you can go with the paid option, like if you want some fancy, you know, recording software, but all of these resources are free, so you don't have to spend a dime. And I know that this is a big thing, especially if you're starting out. Okay, so guys, that's essentially it. You can go through all of this in, I would say, under an hour, maybe an hour and a half, and then start implementing. You know, you can use the hack to create videos without filming your face, without recording your voice, and then you will see results with this. I would say, you know, not in a matter of hours, but the next day, maybe in a couple of days. And this is something that you can do consistently, day after day after day, and $100 to $300 per day. Is that something uncommon even for newbies? Okay, so actually one of the case studies shows a brand new channel that he just created, just like you would if you're brand new, and he still ranked the video on the 4th position, and with the 1st position being him. So, you know, normally it would be like a 3rd position for a brand new channel. Okay, so you don't have to have like a channel that is 10 years old, or you don't even have to have any videos on a channel. Your first video can rank, and you can get some pretty good results, $100 to $300 per day. And again, this is something totally achievable. Okay, guys, let's check out the pricing and all of the upsells. So as you can see, the main product will be $9.97, guys. Pretty crazy, because you know, everything, the case studies, the training, all the tools, you're getting it for $9.97. So this is a total no-brainer, guys. But don't underestimate how powerful this is. Okay, so some people would charge or could charge $500 to $1,000 for this type of information, and it would be fine, because this kind of information can make you thousands of dollars. Okay, so guys, Robin is giving away for $10, a no-brainer. Okay, then we have upgrade number 1 to Gateway, and it is for $37, Gateway 10x faster results. So this is upgrade where Robin actually shows you how to get results 10 times faster. Okay, so it's just an addition to the main training, and it's $37. Upgrade number 2, we got Gateway done for you buyer traffic. So here you're gonna be putting your links inside of the Gateway members area, which means you're going to be generating traffic, and it's from buyers. Okay, so this is perfect for list building, sending traffic to affiliate offers, etc. $47 to $97. Okay, and the last upgrade, we got Gateway license rights, $97, which means you can sell Gateway as your own product and keep 100% of the profits on the whole funnel. Okay, so guys, only 3 upsells, no downsells. So you know, out of the 3 upsells, I would definitely recommend you the 10x faster results. Okay, it's just $37, and again, you're only paying $9.97 for the main course. But with that being said, as always, upsells are optional, and you'll be fine with the main course alone. Now let me show you all of the bonuses I have for you. Okay, so I got some pretty amazing bonuses, probably the biggest bonus to Gateway out there. And let me just mention that Gateway goes live at 9 a.m. Eastern on April 25th. So first of all, I'm going to give you free custom made bonuses, and these free bonuses are about video marketing and generating traffic with video. Okay, so free additional custom made bonuses, especially for this promotion. You will love this, and it's a perfect complement for Gateway. Okay, next up we got Fiverr income secrets. Obviously, what you can do is you can actually rank videos for other people. Okay, so you can create these videos yourself, rank for reviews or whatever, or you can just set up a gig on Fiverr, on Upwork, on Freelancer, and you can actually charge people money for ranking their videos. And you just go to SEO Clerks or just go to Fiverr, how much people are charging for ranking a video for someone. It's in the hundreds of dollars sometimes. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly how to make money on Fiverr with Fiverr Income Secrets, Fiverr Masterclass, and Riser. Okay, my free top selling Fiverr courses. You're also getting newbie traffic formula, Flip Me Income Booster, reseller's license to Flip Me, urgent arbitrage cash, easy arbitrage profits, Blaze, Tube Traffic Avalanche, a case study on free traffic, and a bunch of additional plugins and software bonuses. Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, sales page writing software, Squeeze Page Creator, TrueText, iAsk, Popbox, Sales Bar, Short Code Call to Action, Authority Traffic Masters, Facebook Live Reaction, Press, Phase Zone, Vid Builder, Press Play, Image and Video Commenter, Social Auto Poster, Slick Pop, VidBot, Responsive Slider, YouTube Video Gallery, Pinterest Portfolio, Post Grid, Post Widget, and WordPress Courses plugin. So that's a total of 40 bonuses, and you are getting my mega bonus on top of all this. So my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses, and it's worth $1,500 on its own, which means that the total value of this Gateway bonus package is $2,997. Guys, this is a real world value. Okay, so not some invented number. These are actual software products and custom made bonuses and W's of the day awarded courses, and you would have to spend $3,000 if you would like to just buy it on its own. You're getting all of this for free, again, just as a thank you for picking up Gateway through my link. Guys, as always, I have a full written review right here on my blog, so you can check it out. That's me and Jonas, by the way, in real life. Again, make sure to pick it up through my link to get all of these bonuses for free. 9 a.m. Eastern, April 25th is when Gateway goes live, and to pick it up through my link, all you have to do is click on one of these blue links from my blog, or if you're watching on YouTube, click on the second link in the description to go directly to the sales page, and the first link in the description will take you to my blog. Now, before you go, let me just show you how to claim my bonus. It is all delivered to you automatically, so all you have to do is go to your purchase history on Warrior Plus, click on the icon right here on the top right corner, click on the purchase history, then find Gateway, and below the button that says access your purchase, you should see another button saying bonuses from Art. That's how you claim it. Don't send me emails or receipts. It is all done for you automatically. Now guys, I really love this because again, the proof is in the pudding. Just check out, type in any review video into YouTube, and you're gonna see that Robin is always in the top 3. I'm always fighting with him. So again, his stuff works, my stuff works. We are always battling out. So why not, see what I'm doing and what he's doing, and maybe you're gonna combine the two. Okay, so guys, if you have any questions, leave me a comment under this YouTube video. Please leave me a like as well. Please subscribe to the channel for more review videos just like this one, and I'll be seeing you very shortly in the next review video. Ciao.